accounting. Through XML technology alone, within a network environment, by Dr. Subodh Chandra Garai, former principal, Kolkata College. In present situations, informational efficiency is a necessity. For prompt and effective decisions by the management of face today's competitive and risky business environment, and at the same time, for good corporate governance, transparency and regulatory filings to satisfy the society, including stakeholders of government. Consequently, the present-day situations demand continuous, timely, and relevant information through state-of-the-art IT supported communication system using a standardized and widely accepted electronic or digital language capable of storing, manipulating, communicating, and displaying data comfortably and cheaply. However, this presentation plans to discuss the process of traditional financial accounting and, in the second step, the complete procedure of the same accounting using XML technology alone. However, this presentation plans to discuss the process of traditional financial accounting and, in the second step, the complete procedure of the same accounting using XML technology alone. We may now recapitulate the process of traditional financial accounting. We may now recapitulate the process of traditional financial accounting. Definition. Accounting means reporting, that is, journalism, classifying, that is, ledger posting, and summarising, that is, final accounting, of transactions affecting the interests of an entity. Every transaction has two aspects with same amount but opposite effects. These two aspects, namely the debit and credit aspects, are clearly depicted in the following diagram. This characteristic of transaction is the main feature of double entry principle of bookkeeping. Again, from direct implication of Newton's third law of motion, this characteristic can be derived. Examples of reporting in journal. purchase of a computer in cash for rupees 20,000, being the taker of benefit from this transaction. Computer account shall be debited for rupees 20,000 and cash account shall be credited for the same amount as it is the giver of benefit. Payment of dues rupees 5,000 to Baishnavghata, being the taker of benefit from this transaction. Ramesh account shall be debited for rupees 5,000 and bank account shall be credited for the same amount as it is the giver of benefit. Classification of accounts. In ledger, classification of ledger accounts are given in the following diagram. Accounts can be mainly classified into revenue and capital accounts. Revenue accounts represent the revenue incomes and revenue expenditures. Capital accounts represent liabilities or obligations and properties, rights or assets. Of the assets, cash and bank accounts play pivotal role. During summarisation or finalisation, result, that is, profit or loss, alternatively, surplus or deficit, during an accounting period for an entity is ascertained by matching revenue expenditures against revenue incomes. In the final step, the financial position or status at a point of time, generally at the end of the accounting period, for the same entity is shown by listing liabilities and assets together. As accounting is based on the separate entity concept, liabilities with dues to owners and profit or less loss should equal to assets. We are now ready to discuss on the XML model of complete accounting. To start accounting for a period, a continuing entity requires an opening balance sheet, that is, list of liabilities and assets, say the file VOX, and the journal for recording of all transactions chronologically, say the file JX. Note, both these files are to be saved in extensible markup language, XML, format, in a An XML file is a document with hierarchical arrangement of elements using tags within angle brackets, less than, greater than, in a tree or organization chart like parent-child structure. Here is an example. Less than, XML version equals 1.0. Greater than the XML declaration line, less than journal, greater than, less than record, greater than, less than date, greater than 1 July 2004, less than slash date, greater than, less than debit underline account, greater than cash, less than slash debit underline account, greater than. less than credit underline account greater than sales less than slash credit underline account greater than document less than slash record greater than body less than record greater than less than slash record greater than less than slash journal greater than then, using functional notations, the complete accounting becomes the process of some transformations as J equals Fj, Jx, Sjx, 1. J is traditionally formatted journal using extensible style language transformation XSLT, in short, file SJX. Transformations continued. Again, Lx equals FL, VOX, JX, 2. Lx, an intermediate product, is the ledger in XML format and or equals fo Lx, psi, 3. Or is the ITH final output in traditional format using corresponding XSLT file I equals 1 to 5, depending on nature of output, viz. Traditional ledger, receipt and payment account, trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet respectively. Diagrammatically, the process is as under. We are now going to demonstrate the application of XML technology within network environment for complete accounting.